shock mounts to that, and then nothing but bags in the back. Hell, maybe yeah, I'm gonna review this here for a second. This is my point here. Just because you committed to one way, later when you see it work better the other way, you don't go back. Don't be stubborn. I used to be real stubborn. If you care. Yeah, that's just a no-brainer. Because that's slammed, and that's as pitched forward as it's going to be. So here's the factory shock mounts. I'm going to put them back into that cross member. It's just too perfect for what I got going on here. This puts an element of this back out of the way already, so why would you reinvent the wheel, so to speak? Use this factory forward stuff until it proves that we can't. Just like that. Tighten these up. Make that noise, but all right, so there's no reason to trick this up. We're just going straight across. We're gonna call it 48 1/4. So, I'm going to attempt to tack that. It literally did not move. I think I can make this pretty. It's like a shark. So the theory is beat that piece in and weld it solid. All right, let's get a hammer and beat this crap down. So it's not exactly as I figured. Probably didn't spend enough time thinking that through. What I could do is just cut that flat. But then this distance wouldn't be long enough. We don't want to do that. Let's just go see what it looks like. I can put metal in there and weld it up. I'm sure there's a way you could have done the math a little better than I did. Probably change this angle If you had a little more slope, maybe it would have, you know, if it went like that, that would have probably came. There's probably some magic formula that you math guys could tell me how I'm doing this wrong, but no fun in that. Who wants to think things through? Something like that. I took those little pieces of pipe we used to make the bag mounts and rested the control arms on one corner of it and then the cross face on another. It's gonna get me pretty close to where it needs to be. Hey, good morning. It's Thursday morning. I'm gonna run to get argon, CO2, and some fittings for some of these bags that I need.
0.25.
3 1/4, and then quarter. You're gonna have a 1/4 inch plate probably at least on the bottom. We'll call it, what was that, like 3 1/2? You can check my math. 3 1/4 plus a quarter, that's a half, right?
Hold on. Let me get my iPhone. You want to give it eighth?
We can.
Eighth of an inch?
I see. Okay. Cool. I feel like Carrie would have had a coronary because when I welded up, I literally just felt both ends with my fingertips. I was like, yep, that's good.
Wait, what if did you like sit right here and you're like,
yeah,
okay,
I absolutely did.
My chiropractor says that I'm straight today.
That's absolutely how that went together.
We're just gonna have to gusset on this front side, probably 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches.
Okay.
Hold up, I need to make this important.
What is the shit we're working on?
This guy is on one today.
This is my coffee.
How did that stay like that?
Got it.
That, wait, boss.
That.
I figured it was lunchtime, so I'd show up.
So, did you bring donuts or
Burritos?
cocktails?
That might not be the right size one. But
Dollar General on in. We're right past Beale Station. Yeah, Beale Station. Just past that.
Thanks, Allie.
Hey,
See ya.
gentlemen.
All that bolt does is keep it centered. You know what I mean? Like it's not really low there. Building upper bracket, gusseted it. The lower bag mount is just bolted straight to that. Me ended up putting a plate there too, but I don't know that it needs it. This is 1/4 inch ball. So it looks like we have to clearance just a little bit of that upper clearance there for the bags. I knew we'd have to clear it something, but and the panhard will probably go up into the car some when it's lowered, but I don't care. That's minimal actually. I'm gonna get down here and mark it. Looks like the upper bag mounts are hitting right here and here, and then the panhard will probably get there eventually on both ends. I'm not worried about that at all, like not one bit. I'm about to just cut this mess out and send it.